Okay, welcome everybody to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am here to show you how you can appear offline in Fortnite. So this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. And of course, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe button. So let's begin with this tutorial. Firstly, when you open Fortnite, you will join lobby basically, and here is your skin. But one thing that we have to take care of is to take a look at upper left corner to see vertical lines and click there. Now we have a line here with various options, but we have to go to our profile picture here. Now, as you can see here, there is a little catch: online status. Currently, we are showing that we are online, but when we click that, boom, it's away. And other people can't actually see are we online. They basically see that we are offline and not playing the game. So thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, once again, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.